everyone, welcome to Risha's panel. So today I'll be doing my makeup without using any base, concealer or any foundation. So let's get started. So I have applied only sunscreen on my face. As you can see, I'm contouring my forehead and my cheekbone a little bit. And now I'm gonna apply my eyeshadow, and I'm using Morphe eyeshadow palette. Don't apply too much. ना भी apply करें, इसको अच्छे से blend करें. The same with the other one. So you can see I have blended my shades. Now I'm gonna apply my eyeball shade. As you can see my shirt is pink, so I'll use this one on my eyeball like this. I always applied it with my finger because I think it's the best brush. With the other one. Now you can see it is blended nicely. Now I'm gonna apply eyeliner. So I'm done with my eyeliner. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrow. I'm using Sephora eyeshadow palette. It's amazing. I'm done with my eyebrows as well. And now I'm gonna apply a highlighter. And at last I'm putting my lipstick. So if you guys like this look, then tell me in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Bye!